Back at you again. Singing them rhymes, doing everything, we don't carry no straps. We got all the beats we need to keep everything going, keep it clean. It's IE Automotive. IE Automotive. Back at you again. Okay, what we have here is the beginning stage of a frame-off 1967 Chevy Impala convertible. Right here, we already had the frame sandblasted and powder coated. We had the rear end sandblasted and powder coated. And it's the one to your left. The one to the right will fit, but it don't have the trailing arm support. As you can see, it has one there, one over there. This one only have one. It's nothing on the other end. Okay. Over there, we have the rebuilt 400 transmission. We have right here the intake, sandblasted, powder coated. You have all this rear, front suspension parts in those boxes. This is the frame. This right here is the convertible top. It's been sandblasted. This is the very start. We even have the drive shaft done. Ready to go.